Okay, a quick video on how to replace the hard drive on a HP Elitebook 8460. First off, flip it upside down, and you can see the front is on this side. There are two switches back here. This one is for taking off the back. This one is for the battery. You only need to do one of these for the thing. Set this down. Do is pull this over. Kind of pull this back a little bit, and then you can flip it off to the side. Alright, now second step is to locate the hard drive, which is right here. There's a little plastic door. You can see the little hard drive symbol. The way we do this is we take this, kind of pull it towards you a little bit, and then swing it over. Okay, now grab your little Phillips screwdriver. Let's swap hands here. Okay, there's 3 screws here, here, and here. Let's just go ahead and whoops. Try not to damage too much equipment. Okay, that's like a little spring loaded. All 3 of these are spring loaded screws. Okay, it looks like he's done. And make sure, okay, and make sure that these come up and they're all the way out. Some of the hard drive brackets and laptops did not, I don't know, they didn't come out all the way, so you kind of got to pry them up. Otherwise, you won't be able to pull the hard drive out. So what you do is you pull it to the left here till it comes out. You see the little interface. Whoa! And now take the hard drive out. Now you get your other hard drive and put it in the same way, just backwards here. Slide it in all the way. Here, let me put it down here and push. Okay, and we slide it in. Then we make sure that see that the interface is all in there. And now we go and just screw in the 3 screws. Like so. And now we take our little door here and we push it over. Make sure it snaps in and it's underneath this part. And now that's really it. We'll just take our door and lay it down until it's flat all across here, and then push in. And now to make sure everything's locked, we take this and we push it all the way over to that little screw hole is covered. And that's it. You're all done.